The host kicks off the review by clarifying that this isn't the older SRT8 model, but the refined 2021 SRT trim, featuring the naturally aspirated 6.4L HEMI V8 delivering around 475 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. They highlight that Jeep transitioned from the SRT8 badge to SRT for this generation and emphasize the commanding roar and aggressive presence of the hood and grille combo. The styling gives it a muscular, purposeful stance that makes a striking first impression. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated 6.4L HEMI V8 breathes hammy and smooth, true to its name, eschewing forced induction for linear throttle response and a classic muscle car soundtrack. The 8-speed ZF automatic transmission handles shifts cleanly, with paddle shifters giving a manual touch. In Sport mode, throttle response sharpens noticeably, and gear changes feel crisper. The 0 to 60 mph time lands in the mid-4-second range, around 4.4s, showcasing serious SUV acceleration. Equally impressive are the 6-piston Brembo brakes that deliver punchy and fade-resistant stopping power. Ride comfort and handling. The SRT's suspension sits low but remains planted, balancing comfort with composure. While it doesn't dive like a dedicated sports car, it handles undulating roads with dignity, absorbing bumps with minimal body roll. The review praises its planted feel in corners, crediting the all-wheel drive system for maintaining grip and predictability. Steering is responsive for an SUV, giving enough feedback without being twitchy. Interior and amenities. Inside, the SRT is loaded with upscale touches. The cabin features soft-touch materials, an 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen, and Alcantara wrapped seats. The infotainment system runs smoothly and includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a digital gauge cluster displaying drive and transmission info, and a Performance Pages screen reveals live engine and off-road telemetry. Safety and convenience tech includes blind spot monitoring, auto emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors. However, the building reviewer notes the rear seat area is slightly cramped for legroom compared to expectations for a full-size SUV. Fuel economy and practicality. Predictably, fuel economy isn't a strong suit, averaging around 15 to 16 L/100 km, 14 L/100 km official, which is heavy but expected for a performance-oriented V8 SUV. Cargo space is decent, about 800 L with the rear seats up, expanding to nearly 1,600 L when folded. Practical storage features like a full-size spare under the cargo floor, multiple USB ports, and a powered tailgate round out its family SUV capabilities. Off-road and towing capability. While this SRT trim doesn't include off-road features like locking differentials or air suspension, it still inherits Jeep's capable hardware, a low-range transfer case, hill descent control, selectable terrain modes, 218mm ground clearance, and 24 degrees departure/26 degree approach angles. The host hat tips its ability to tackle mud, gravel, and steep slopes with confidence. It also tows up to 3.5 tons, echoing functional utility even in its performance-focused setup. Comfort and daily usability. True to its American SUV roots, the ride is mostly soft and comfortable, ideal for long highway journeys and absorbing road imperfections. Cabin insulation is strong, with minimal wind and tire noise. Features like heated front seats, dual-zone climate, heated steering wheel, and robust connectivity enhance daily comfort. The only downsides are the rear seat space and the antiquated foot-operated parking brake. Final verdict. The reviewer concludes by applauding the Grand Cherokee SRT for being a compelling all-rounder, a visceral V8 soundtrack, serious on-road performance, decent off-road chops, and family practicality. It's not a lightweight or track-specific machine, but as a fast, comfortable, and capable SUV, it checks many boxes. Despite its age and thirst, it's considered a true Goldie, a modern legend in SUV form. The presenter suggests it offers better comfort and value than some rivals like the Nissan Patrol, underlining its appeal as a performance budget option. Summary table of key specs and traits. Features. Engine/power. 6.4L HEMI V8, 475 HP, 470 lb-ft. Transmission: 8-speed ZF Auto, paddle shifters. 060 mph. 4.4S. Fuel economy: 14L/100 km official, 15 E16L/100 km real world. Ride and handling: plush yet controlled, flat cornering, EWD. Interior tech: 8.4 Uconnect, Apple/Android CarPlay, digital cluster, performance pages. Practicality: 800L cargo, second row up, 600L folded, full-size spare. Off-road gear: low range, hill descent, terrain modes, 218mm clearance. Comfort features: heated seats/steering, dual-zone climate, premium cabin. Downsides: subpar rear legroom, old-school parking brake, thirst. Conclusion: overall, the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT stands out for its thrilling V8 punch, everyday comfort, and true SUV versatility. It may not be the latest-gen luxury or tech-laden crossover, but for enthusiasts who crave sound, swagger, and substance in an all-weather, tow-ready package, it's a compelling choice. Sources: Ask ChatGPT.